Hi, my name is Ashley Geike, and I'm doing my capstone project on the Great Smoky Mountains and the effects of air pollution. Here's a map of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and it does show different areas of the park where you can go. So the problem that I'm researching was air pollution. Um, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in the southeast wasn't named for its smog, but it is becoming a serious problem for them. Air quality issues originate outside of the parks. At Great Smoky, power plant and industrial emissions are blown by winds to the southern Appalachians and trapped there by the mountains. Air quality problems choke off views, poison plants, and even foul water. Recent air quality data show a glimmer of hope. Visibility and ozone concentrations are stable or improving in most of the parks. However, in too many cases, stable means simply preserving a subpar status quo. And here is a video just talking about the effects of air pollution on the Smoky Mountains.
Great Smoky Mountains National Park is a biological pressure flow.
So as you can see, that the air pollution is a big problem at the Great Smoky Mountains. The effects could be from the tens of millions of people that visit each year, and they're starting to be measured and mitigated. Scientists are striving to better understand these impacts on the park's ecosystem. Park staff carefully monitor threats such as air pollution and destructive non-native species. The geology of Great Smoky Mountains. Um, the rock in the Great Smoky Mountains are metamorphous sedimentary rocks that are dominant rocks types in that park, but some igneous rocks also occur. On the plate tectonics, the Earth's outer crust is composed of huge continental-sized plates driven by heat from below. And then the mountain building, between 310 and 245 million years ago, the eastern edge of the tectonic plate collided with the African tectonic plate, becoming part of the supercontinent known as Pangaea. Continental collisions take place at a rate of few inches per year over many millions of years. And then here is the start of my reference page.